Okay, dear students, see here, BTech students, I am going to explain the synopsis of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices, which are very important for BTech students, mainly in M1 paper. Now, first of all, let A be a square matrix with complex numbers. A be a square matrix with complex numbers in its rows and columns. Actually, if you go to +1 or +2 or intermediate, you will be having matrices with normal numbers. Okay, now here we take a square matrix with complex numbers. Of course, complex numbers, there will be some real numbers also. Then the conjugate of this matrix is called conjugate matrix and denoted as A bar. Now A theta means transpose of this conjugate. The transpose of this conjugate is denoted as A theta. Okay, now let us discuss what is Hermitian matrix. If transpose of this conjugate matrix, that is A theta, if A theta is equal to A, then A is called Hermitian, and if A theta is equal to minus A, it is called skew Hermitian. Now this is a property which you have to remember. A theta equal to A means what is A theta? A bar whole transpose, that is what we wrote here, equal to A. Now applying transpose, this becomes A bar, this becomes A transpose. Means the alternate definition of Hermitian is if a conjugate matrix is equal to A transpose, then also A is called Hermitian. So Hermitian matrix means two definitions. If A theta equal to A theta means what? Transpose of conjugate, or simply you can say if conjugate is equal to A transpose, then it is Hermitian. If conjugate equal to minus A transpose, then it is called skew Hermitian. Now first of all, let us go through examples clearly what is conjugate matrix and what is its transpose A theta, so that you could clearly understand the synopsis. Now I have taken here a matrix roughly A containing some complex numbers and real numbers. Now conjugate of A means, see here, you are having 2 plus I, then conjugate of 2 plus I is 2 minus I. 6 plus I you are having, conjugate is 6 minus I. 3 plus I you are having, so conjugate is 3 minus I. Minus 2 plus 3, minus 3 you are having, so minus 2 plus 3i. 4 minus 3i means 4 plus 3i. 3 minus 2i, 3 plus 2i. So this is conjugate matrix. Means conjugate of the complex number means you have to remember that you have to change the symbol in front of I only. Now A theta means transpose of conjugate, means its transpose. First two row elements are written in first column C. Second row elements in second column. Third row elements in third column they are written. So this is A conjugate and A theta means transpose of the conjugate. Okay. Now if you observe here, the transpose of conjugate is also equal to conjugate of the transpose. That means here we have found the conjugate matrix and then transpose, isn't it? First only you can transpose and then find conjugate, then also you will get the same answer. First only transpose and then find conjugate, then also you will get the same answer. Now let's see a very best example of Hermitian matrix, which is very, very important. We have considered a matrix 4, 1 minus a 7, 1 plus a 6 minus a 7 I y. Then conjugate matrix means just 4. For 1 minus a it is 1 plus I. For 1 plus a 1 minus I. For minus a it is I. For I it is minus a. Now observe, this is clearly a transpose. Transpose of this means first column elements are in first row elements are in first column, second row elements are in second column, third row in third column. So here only you can conclude that it is Hermitian. Or if you can check like this also, A theta means transpose of this conjugate. So transposing, you will get the same matrix. Both matrices are same. Observe here, 4 1 minus a 7, 4 1 minus a 7, 1 plus a 6 minus 1, 1 plus a 6 minus I, 7 I 5, 7 I 5. So both are same. So this is the example for Hermitian, and the main point which you have to note is the diagonal elements of a Hermitian matrix are real numbers, which I give you here as a note. Now see definition of skew Hermitian. See here, same like in the Hermitian example, you have conjugated here. 1 plus 2i means 1 minus 2i, 1 minus 3i, 1 plus 3i, 2i minus 1 means you have to change the symbol in front of I, so minus 2i minus 1, 1 plus 4i means 1 minus 4i, here minus 3 is there, no, so you should take plus 3i, 4i minus 1 means minus 4i minus 1. Now this is clearly the negative of transpose of this particular. See here, first row, first column in opposite signs, second row, second column in opposite signs, third row, third column in opposite signs, or simply you can transpose this, you will get this negative of this matrix. See, 1 plus 2i means minus 2i minus 1, both positive, both negative. Here 1 minus 3i, here 3i minus 1, minus 3i means plus 3i, plus 1 means minus 1. See, all elements will be same. So this is skew Hermitian matrix. In a skew Hermitian matrix, if the order of the matrix is 3 by 3, means like 5 by 5, 3 by 3 like that, then principal diagonal elements must be zeros. Principal diagonal elements must be compulsory zeros. Then only we can have a skew Hermitian matrix of odd order. So this is the synopsis about Hermitian and skew Hermitian.